Hi! Within this section, we're gonna learn about first quantum algorithm. So not the first quantum algorithm that has ever been created, but it will be our first quantum algorithm that we will learn throughout this section. So of course, we have learned about superdense coding and quantum teleportation as well. So they can be classified as quantum algorithms as well. But we're going to learn something called Bernstein Vazirani algorithm. I believe this will be very interesting to learn for you. So this will one of the things that got me into this area when I heard first about this. So it's an exciting algorithm. And this will actually prove that the quantum computers can outperform the classical computers in some certain problems. Now, what we're going to do will be fun for you. I guarantee that. Let's get started.